Today we're making protein balls. Our energy high and our standard even higher. Let me show you how.
We are starting with the dates, the sweet, tricky superhero that give instant energy. Honestly, they are like a natural caramel, but healthier. Next, toss in almonds, the beauty nuts, glow-up snacks. Yes, please. Now sprinkle in pumpkin seed, tiny but mighty. Their secret power. They help you feel calm and focused. A snack that boosts energy and reduces stress. Sign me up. And now, bring in the walnut, the brain power in one bite. Eating 1 to 2 walnuts at night helps with better sleep. Add pistachio for the fancy crunch. Pistachios are rich in healthy fat plus vitamin E, which makes skin, hair more glow and soft and youthful. It also helps with our eye health, which protect your eyes from screen damage. Blend everything together until it becomes sticky.
Melt some butter. Add your dates. I'm gonna form them into one dough.
Roll into a little balls. And boom, your mini energy bombs are ready.